In this example, let's find the slope of the line tangent to the graph of f of x equal to 2 times e to the negative 3x at the point 0, 2. Now to find the slope of the tangent line, we find that by taking the derivative. So let's take the derivative of f of x. So f prime of x, the derivative, is going to look like, carry the constant along with it, so we have 2, and then the derivative of e to the negative 3x is going to be e to the negative 3x. But now we also need to multiply by the derivative of negative 3x. The derivative of negative 3x is negative 3. So now simplifying, our derivative looks like a negative 6e to the negative 3x. Now we want to know what the slope of the line tangent to the graph at the point 0, 2. So at that point, when x equals 0, what is our slope? So we're going to plug 0 into our derivative. So we have f prime of 0. So we have a negative 6e to the negative 3 times 0. So we have a negative 6e to the 0. And since e to the 0 is 1, we then have negative 6. So the slope of the line tangent to the graph of f of x is negative 6 at the point 0, 2.